In the winter of 2018, I started school at Crockett Elementary. I was 5 years old and didn't quite speak English. Even though I was scared, I wanted to learn a lot of things.
In 2018, I became a survivor of HSV encephalitis, which had a side effect of a brain injury resulting in memory deficit, heightened impulsivity, limits on some executive functioning, and ADHD. In 2021, I received a diagnosis of autism spectrum disorder 1, commonly referred to as ASD1.
For most of middle school, and even to the start of high school, I battled a wave of internal struggles I never saw coming. A regime of brutal thoughts took over some of the most formative years of my life and left me in pieces.
Back in elementary school, I was the kid who spoke so softly the teachers had to lean in to hear my own name. Class presentations felt like scaling Mount Everest, and I'd rehearse in my closet so no one, not even my pet, could judge me.
Miss Oniwan gave me the confidence to be an AVID ambassador, and this provided the ability to be goal-directed. She has had an amazing and positive impact on my life by influencing me to become a better student.
The impact he has on me is greater than just the classroom. The days I see him are simply better days. He has helped me develop socially, pointing out what not to do or why I should not say or do something. He gives me alternatives to how I feel about things or how I express them. He helps me show respect that I do not get from anyone. He helps me understand what others think or feel. He teaches me about life. I'm simply more confident when Mr. Owens is around.
She didn't treat me like a problem child, but rather a person deserving of compassion. She was patient, kind, sympathetic. Always asked questions, not about my grades, what I can do to improve, but about me.
Mrs. Land created a classroom filled with kindness and encouragement. A place where I was finally felt safe enough to be myself, make friends, and take those first brave steps out of my comfort zone.
She has shown me that hard work can make me excel in being not only a better student, but a better leader.
Because of their valiant efforts, I proudly stand here a top 10 Gander and someone who will have their choice of colleges to attend.
She's the reason I decided to keep going. She believed in me when I didn't.
This summer, I stood on a national stage in Orlando and placed first in the nation for public speaking with Educators Rising.
I want to leave you with 2 simple yet powerful words. Push on. Push on through challenges and obstacles. Push on when the road ahead seems uncertain. Push on when you feel like giving up. Because the truth is, your greatest accomplishments often lie just beyond the point where you thought you couldn't go any further. Push on. You got this, graduates. You worked hard, you persevered, and you made it to this moment. Now it's time to take that momentum and propel yourself into the future.